Hey everyone, welcome back to Fast Lane Reviews, where we talk about the latest and hottest cars shaping the future of driving. Today, we're looking at one of Toyota's most practical and stylish new SUVs, the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross. So, let's dive in. The Toyota Corolla Cross has always been known for its dependability, efficiency, and everyday usability, but in 2026, Toyota has taken things to the next level. The new model comes with a bold redesign that blends the sporty essence of the Corolla with the tough and confident stance of an SUV. The front end now features sleeker LED headlights, a more dynamic grille, and refined aerodynamics that make this SUV look more premium than ever. Now, let's talk about performance. The 2026 Corolla Cross comes with two powertrain options, a 2.0-liter gasoline engine and a next-generation hybrid setup that delivers both power and efficiency. The hybrid model is especially impressive, offering over 40 miles per gallon, making it one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. And with Toyota's latest hybrid technology, you'll experience smoother acceleration, better torque, and improved responsiveness. When it comes to handling, the 2026 Corolla Cross is built on Toyota's TNGA-C platform, giving you that perfect blend of stability, comfort, and agility. Whether you're cruising on the highway or maneuvering through city traffic, the drive feels confident and refined. Inside the cabin, Toyota has stepped up its game. The 2026 Corolla Cross features a larger 12.3-inch touchscreen display, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and an updated Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 system that includes advanced driver assist features like lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. One of the biggest highlights is the upgraded interior materials and sound insulation. The cabin feels quiet, spacious, and upscale, something you wouldn't usually expect from a compact SUV. The rear seats fold down for extra cargo space, making it perfect for families, weekend getaways, or even daily commutes. And when it comes to tech and connectivity, Toyota has made sure the 2026 Corolla Cross keeps up with modern expectations. There's wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, and even a 360-degree camera system that makes parking and navigation super easy. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2026 Corolla Cross is expected to start around $24,000 for the base model and go up to about $30,000 for the hybrid premium trim. That's a solid deal considering the features, performance, and reliability Toyota is offering. So, whether you're looking for a daily commuter, a family-friendly SUV, or something that's stylish yet practical, the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross is definitely worth your attention. Thanks for watching Fast Lane Reviews. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the latest cars, trends, and reviews. Because here, we don't just talk cars, we drive the future.